Hello, this is Dr. Raz. In this video, I would like to talk about another continuous probability distribution called triangular distribution. And we use this distribution for if we have limited information and if we can come up with minimum possible value, maximum possible value, and most likely value. And this is easier to obtain. You can ask managers or people who are working for a company and their managerial opinions based on their experience. You can come up with these numbers and you can calculate the probabilities. So this is how probability distribution looks like. So in this example, we have a construction example, and it takes minimum 6 weeks to complete this, and maximum 24 based on experience, and on average it takes 12 weeks. So here is the valid question: what's the probability of finishing this project between 6 to 12 weeks? Basically, that's asking the area under this line. Again, I can draw infinite number of vertical lines, so that it doesn't really make any sense to ask what's the probability of exactly 12, because it's a continuous distribution and exactly 12 will go to pretty much this line right here. This probability will be very close to 0. Okay, so I can calculate this, which is going to be a height of this, which is 1/9, and then the length of this 12 minus 6, which is 6. So the probability is 6 times 1/9 divided by 2. That will be the probability of that area. So which will give you 3/9, which is 1/3, which is 33%. Okay, that's the chance of finishing this project between 6 to 12 weeks. All right, so what if I ask you what's the probability that this project will be completed between 10 to 18 weeks? So what I could do is calculate the probability of completing this less than or equal to 18 weeks, which will give you this area right here, and then subtract the probability of less than 10, which is right here, and the remaining will be the area under this area right here. Okay, so how would you do that? Basically, I could do, if I'm doing by hand, this is not that hard. Using Excel, it's really much easier. I could calculate the probability of this area by this, right? So this is the height of this right here, and then the length of right here, divided by 2. So that's the area for a triangle. So you could do that, and I just don't want to go into so much in details, but then 1 minus of that will give you this probability is greater than 18, and then you could do 1 minus of that. That will give you probability of less than or equal to probability of less than or equal to 18. And then I could do this area, which is easy to calculate, probability of less than 10, and then this minus that. So I'm not going to show you in this calculation by hand because it will take some time, but I will show you how to do this using Excel. Until next video, enjoy business analytics.